Hi, you are welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I'll be showing you how I made this super potent one ingredient hair milk that will help to deep moisturize your hair. It is going to suit your scalp irritations. It is going to reduce frizz and add shine to your hair strands. It is also going to help cleanse your scalp. Is a super potent hair growth that will help your hair grow massively and also healthy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please do well to subscribe and also put on your bell notification button, okay? If you are also an OG, I really appreciate your clicking in. Thank you so much. Let's dive into the video. The super ingredient I'll be using in this particular recipe is oats. Oats is a very good hair care ingredient for most hair types, including relaxed hair or even a natural hair, even our African hair and any type of hair at all, as it can moisturize and soothe the scalp while adding softness and shine to your hair due to its protein and lipid contents. With this recipe, you can use any oat of your choice. Just take enough that will be okay for you depending on your hair volume and the people that you are using it for, or if you are using it for yourself, okay? The quantity that you need. Then also get water that will not be too much for the quantity that you have taken, okay? So after getting it, you mix the water into the oats and mix it very well. Shake it so that everything will incorporate together. You make sure that the oat is not gathered one place, okay? That is exactly what I was doing in this video. I was shaking it, making sure that everything is separated and, mix very well into the water. After mixing it, you are going to place it and wait for 6 to 8 hours before you start using it, so that everything, all the vitamins, all the nutrients will be properly infused into the water.
A few
So
moments
after 8
later.
hours, this is what we have here. You can see that the milk, the water feels thicker than how it was before because it has properly infused into the water. The oat ingredient has properly infused into the water, so the milk feels or looks thicker rather. So you can see how thick it is. After 8 hours, all you have to do is to shake it again, then strain out the water, add the water into your spray bottle and use on your hair. You can decide to use it as a deep moisturizing ingredient, or a pre-poo ingredient, or even to use it as a steamer, okay? Now closely watch this video so that you don't miss any step while I tell you some of the benefits you'll be getting from this particular recipe. Now the first benefit you'll be getting from this particular recipe is hair growth, just as expected, okay? It promotes hair growth due to its vitamins content. This is packed with a lot of vitamins and it is going to be helping your hair to grow massively. The second one is it is going to help cleanse your scalp. It is going to gently cleanse your scalp due to its natural saponins. It's a very good gentle cleanser to your scalp, and it's a very good ingredient for most hair type. Like, it's suitable for most hair type, especially for those with dry or sensitive scalp, okay? It is going to help suit your sensitivity and the dry scalp because it's going to deep moisturize the scalp, okay, and your hair strands. I'm coming to that. The next one that we'll be talking about is the hydration. Oat milk is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and essential starchy acids, which deeply moisturizes hair strands, leaving them soft and supple. Another thing I will be talking about is how this super potent hair milk suits the scalp. The anti-inflammatory property of oat milk can help calm an irritated scalp, reducing itching and dandruff. So if you are the type that have dandruff, this is suitable for you, okay? This also helps to control frizz by smoothing down hairs. It also helps to repair damaged hair, making it to look more healthier and smoother. So if you have watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay safe out there and see you in my next video. Bye bye.